Now can you see what I was talking about? You know, I was saying about the step over. The step over is set at half the width of the head, so I'm going to get that little ridge in it. Can you see? Am I getting it? Yeah.
It really looks like a white chocolate bar.
Yeah.